Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa ating solo art exhibit opening natin. Nandito tayo sa Upper Gallery 2, March 2, 2025. Ito yung space natin. Ito. And, okay, so ayan, ribbons and strings. These are my works. Saxophone. Instead of sound, ang lumabas na lang mga and strings ng gitara. Ayan. Lucid Strings, title nito. Ayan. Oh, by the way, I'm experimenting with the frame. Ayan. Ito kahoy ito sa amin sa Baguio. Ayan. So, ito I'm experimenting with the color. Ito burn ito eh, may torch to make it a little bit darker. Tapos matte varnish. And tapos ito plain varnish lang ginawa natin dito. I think it looks good, no, yung contrast between dark and light na yung mating yung mas lighter. Ito same din dito. Ayan, tinorch din natin tong outer frame niya. Ayan. Anyway, this is one of my earliest design. Ito to. Actually, derive ito dun sa pinakaunang ginawa ko. Ito. So, nirecreate ko yung first design. Ayan. And then, this is one of my favorite. And Chorus and Unity. Ayan, also one of my most detailed works na ginawa. Ayan. It took me like almost a month to finish this. Hindi ko kasi inuupuan to ng isang upuan. Pag nagpipaint kasi ako, minsan sabay-sabay. And then depende doon kung alin yung mauunang matatapos ko. Ayan. So, this is my recent. Ito naman, medyo minimalist siya in a way. Ayan. Ayan. As the music grows, ayan. Parang yung music nag-grow siya, no? Ayan. Parang siyang plant. Ito yung idea niyan. This is very decent one kasi it's green. Ayan, isa sa mga small works ko dito. The same goes here as the music grows. Ayan. Yung idea niya is yung parang sa plant na it keeps on growing. Parang ganun. Ito yung mga una-una kong ginawa and finally na-show ko na siya dito. Ayan. Midnight Dance. And evening dance naman to. Evening dance. Ayan. And guys, so overall, maraming salamat sa mga pumunta dito, sa mga sumusuporta sa aking art. Ayan, punta kayo dito up until March 23 dito sa Pinto Art Museum. Salamat guys.